Good morning. Welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Friday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend has changed directions to down from up. Today's reading is falling 35% versus 45%. Dow momentum rising 35% versus 23%. Dow volatility rising 2.59% versus 1.38% the previous day. The Dow 50-day net change rising positive 51 versus negative 81. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is rising 3% versus negative 5% the previous day. Institutional money flow rising 42% versus 25%. Institutional demand rising 39.13% versus 27.32% the previous day. Institutional inventory rising 41.74% versus 38%. Institutional accumulation distribution trend rose to negative 6% from negative 19%. Friday's trading highlights, as I view them, are as follows. First of all, futures and options expire in 6 days, and September is the worst performing month of all 12. Employment report this morning is the big market mover. The diamonds, S&P 500, QQQs, all exchange traded funds are trading below their 21-day moving averages. The DIA moving averages 8-day versus 21-day is currently 113.82 versus 114.63, which is a negative 0.81 versus negative 80 the previous day, which is bearish. Dow trend changed, as I mentioned, to down from up Thursday, and therefore caution is advised going forward. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market as a whole. We begin Friday's trading, and we notice that the Dow Jones Industrial Average outlook is bearish, falling. For the third day in a row, it's at 34%, whereas the stock market outlook is bearish yet rising, 49.2% versus 35.6% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has a probability of closing up Friday of only 32%, whereas this may be even muted further because Diamonds, DIA, has a probability of closing up Friday of only 3%. Now, Thursday's results of our actual $1 million account, which began December of 07, has a current account value of $1,155,711, which was a gain yesterday of positive $1,695. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Visit my website daily. Check out the blog. Has trading ideas in the evening, stock market forecast in the morning. And you may even want to sign up for a 14-day free look and get very detailed content so you can buy low, sell high every day. Well, it's time to get trading. Almost 9:30. You take care. Good luck and good trading today.